Hi everyone, I'm Catherine and this is Graceedesigns. Designs. So in today's video, we're going to look at Canva. On just a few elements and some text boxes, you can make your ideas come to life. So if you're a beginner and you like to use Canva, check this out. You don't need a subscription for this. These elements are free to use and it's very quick and easy. The first thing I like to do is create the proper size for my canvas to create my design. With the free version, you won't be able to change the size later. So I'm creating a 4x6 card. As you see, I have different sizes already saved in my Canva. And I am going to show you how to create a unique card with just a few elements. It's easy and it doesn't take a lot of time. So since I'm making a Christmas card, I'm going to type the word Christmas in the search in the design area. After all the elements show up, I like to click on the graphics column. As you can see, some of the graphic elements are the pro version, but we're going to use the free elements. There's so many to choose from, it sometimes can be really hard to pick for the design. I'm going to use 4 elements and 3 text boxes to make this card. I'm going to start by clicking on the Christmas tree that I chose. And then I'm going to size it. I'm going to make it a little bigger. It's going to be the main picture on the card. I had already searched for dots, red dots, and this is what showed up. And they're a little off in color, so I'm going to show you how to change the color and duplicate them. They will be red Christmas ornaments when I'm finished. So I added my first box of dots and I go up to the color guide and I changed it to red. And now I'm going to duplicate it after I move them around so that they fit on the tree. Size them a little bit, make them, some of them a little smaller, and turn them. And there you have it, red Christmas ornaments. The next thing I'm going to do is click on the star. The star on this Christmas tree was kind of plain, so I wanted to make it shine. And I found this shiny star in the elements. And there's the star, and I'm going to size that now and then move it on top of the tree. And now I have a pretty shiny star on my tree. So the card is still kind of plain. Now I'm going to create snow in the background. I added a snow element, and then I'm going to move it to the back so it's behind the Christmas tree and the star and the dots. And going to size them, and I'm also going to lighten them up so they're not as bold as the tree. So I'm going to make this box half the size of the card and move it over. So I'll probably have to add about 6 or 8 of these. I'll duplicate them. But before I duplicate them, I'm going to change the coloring. I'm not going to change the actual color, but I'm going to lighten it up. We will use the edit button for this. So can't see it as brightly. There we go. And now we'll duplicate these boxes over the entire card. And I have snow on my Christmas tree. After adding the snow, I'm going to add a couple of text boxes. I will use add a heading because I want it to be large. And I'm going to type Merry Christmas, but I'm going to use 2 separate boxes because I don't want it to be in a straight line. I want to, arrange it a little differently. So there's Merry, and then I'm going to change the font. And I'm going to get that little period out of there because I went too far. Make it a little larger. Pack that up. And then I'm going to duplicate the word Merry so that Christmas is exactly the same size and I don't have to try to change the size to create it, make it the same later. And then I just have to change the letters. And I'll move that where I want it. Move Merry where I want it. And then I'm going to add one more text box. Only this time it's going to be a little smaller. I'm going to move that down to the bottom. I'm going to stretch it out because I want it to be all on one line this time. And type in Happy New Year. Move that into the center. And we'll change the font on this too. There's so many fonts to pick from. Sometimes it's really difficult to decide. And now I'm finished with my Christmas card. 4 elements, 3 text boxes. Very simple to use Canva. And so many things you can choose from. You don't have to go crazy trying to do a whole bunch of designs and elements and graphics and pictures. Pick a few things that you like, put them on the page, and very simple to make a design. So there you have it. A nice Christmas card with just 4 elements and a few text boxes, and you're done. I have to apologize for the shaking screen. I don't know how to videotape computer screens, something I need to learn, but I really did want to show you how to use Canva with just a few elements. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And join me next time on GraceeDesigns.